Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Weber Q1000 liquid propane grill in a sleek titanium finish. This compact powerhouse boasts a single stainless steel burner that generates an impressive 8,500 BTU per hour, efficiently heating a 189 square inch cooking area. With porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates and a robust cast aluminum lid and body, this grill is built for durability and performance. It comes fully assembled right out of the box, so you can start grilling in no time. The grill's dimensions with the lid closed are 14.5 inches high, 27 inches wide, and 16.5 inches deep, making it perfect for small spaces. Featuring a convenient push-button ignition and infinite control burner valve settings, it uses disposable 14.1 or 16.4-ounce liquid petroleum gas cylinders, which are sold separately. Remember to preheat the grill with the burner on high for 10 to 15 minutes to achieve the best cooking results. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.